better. My long mane was whooping my neck. Yo! Check it! Check it! This is my life! This is my life! My dot comes from the streets unknown. I'm sick of everyone saying I'm like a god clone. No cell phone, no dope to smoke. Get off my back and leave it alone. I've been cheated by the city of dreams. Piss my own shorts and shit my own jeans. Just like an average human being. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? This is my life! This is my life! This is my life! This is my life! Yo, yo! Early bird gets the worm. Tito says. What you see is what you get. Nothing pretty, just a pile of shit. But some. Remember that Powell video Stacy crawled to the beginning with the gloves on?
All the way down the hills.
I wonder if I could do that.
Probably blow your knee, man.
Yeah. Almost there.
I had a first one a second ago.
You just had one?
Yeah.
See if we can get it on film.